Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a portfolio gallery layout using custom shapes in Photoshop. I begin by opening Photoshop and setting a wide canvas. Then I draw equal-sized rectangle shapes as gallery cards. Now I round the corners slightly for softness. After that I place image placeholders inside shapes. Next I add small label shapes for categories. Now I align cards in a clean grid. Then I vary card sizes slightly for interest. After that I add subtle shadows for depth. Now the gallery feels dynamic. Then I zoom out to review balance. After that I adjust margins evenly. Now everything feels organized. Finally I refine spacing and color tone. This gallery layout now feels professional.